The National Council of Educational Research and Training textbooks are set to make their debut in state schools. Speaking of the government's decision on Monday, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said he had recently met the chairperson of the Central Board of Secondary Education in New Delhi. He said the state has requested the CBSE to assist Education Department to introduce NCERT textbooks in schools across the state.
We met the chairperson of the CBSE in Delhi and along with his officers, and like suppose each stage is going to use the NCERT textbook in customization of our state level, then and the CBSE pattern marking and the evaluation and the teaching scheme, the CBSE officers will assist us, and they are promised they will be giving us some training with the best faculties of the country